Survey of India has charted the contours of a nation, its mountains, its rivers, its borders, and its streams. This is the story of India's oldest scientific organization and its enduring commitment to precision, progress, and people. In 1779, Major James Rennell, the first Surveyor General of Bengal, created the earliest accurate maps of Bengal and produced the first map of Hindustan in 1782. The journey continued with the GTS, the Great Trigonometrical Survey, launched on 10th April 1802 by Colonel William Lambton. On this day, National Survey Day is celebrated to commemorate the remarkable journey of the Geodetic Survey. George Everest carried the mission forward, extending triangulation across India and Burma. In this extraordinary journey, Survey of India measured more than 70 Himalayan peaks, including Peak 15, later discovered as the world's highest and named Mount Everest in his honor. In 1854, Survey of India printed the first Indian postage stamps, and later explored unknown frontiers through legendary surveyors like Pandit Nain Singh and Pandit Kishan Singh. Few know that Survey of India printed the first copy of Constitution of India. From its first office in Calcutta, Survey of India grew into a nationwide network. Headquarters in Dehradun, 4 zonal offices, 16 geospatial directorates, and 4 wings, a printing office in Delhi, and the premier training institute, National Institute for Geoinformatics Science and Technology, NIGST, in Hyderabad. Its geodetic and research branch continues to modernize India's tide gauge network, magnetic observatory, gravity network, and maintains the national vertical datum, critical for coastal safety, climate studies, and national infrastructure. Survey of India, one of the oldest scientific organizations, began its journey with hand-drawn maps through the fair drawing method, followed by the scribing technique, where sharp-pointed tools were used to etch details onto coated films. After 2000, the organization transitioned to digital mapping, marking a major technological shift in its cartographic processes. National Map Policy 2005 set new standards for national mapping. Under the Integrated Coastal Zone Management (ICZM) project, Survey of India produced high-accuracy coastal maps for 70,000 square kilometers, defining India's coastal hazard line for sustainable development. For the coal sector, it mapped 30,000 square kilometers of coal fields using advanced aerial imagery under Central Mine Planning and Design Institute (CMPDI) project. Through the National Urban Information System, detailed maps at 1 to 2,000 and 1 to 10,000 scales strengthened urban planning across the country. Advanced survey technologies like multispectral satellite imageries and drone LiDAR mapping are used along the Ganga and major rivers under Namami Gange, and National Hydrology Project supports river rejuvenation and flood management. National Geospatial Policy 2022 has empowered Survey of India to act as overarching nodal agency for nation's geospatial data. As the custodian of foundational geospatial data, Survey of India maintains the national geodetic frame, orthoimagery, elevation data, administrative boundaries, and geographical names. Its more than 1,145 stations CORS network, providing real-time centimeter-level accuracy across India, in the process of densifying the CORS network by establishing more than 1,800 CORS stations across the country.
क्या हम तकनीक की ताकत से कंटिन्यूअसली ऑपरेटिंग रेफरेंस स्टेशंस नेटवर्क नहीं बना सकते हैं, जिससे हमें हाई रिजोल्यूशन जियो स्पेशियल डिजिटल डेटा तेज गति से मिल सके?
Survey of India hosts a CORS web portal for Indian entities, enabling them to access CORS services through a simple registration process. Asset registers and geodetic maps are prepared to showcase their importance and enhance public awareness of these vital geodetic assets. Under Svamitva, survey of villages, Abadi, and mapping with improvised technology in village areas. Drone-based cadastral mapping in over 3.2 lakh villages has empowered rural households with property cards, reducing disputes and improving planning. The Naksha project modernizes urban land records through high-resolution aerial mapping. Under AMRUT 2.0, Survey of India generates GIS datasets for better urban water management. Despite difficult terrains, from Zanskar to the northeast, survey teams have delivered with dedication, earning national appreciation. Survey of India plays a pivotal role in maintaining India's international borders, mapping, repairing, and jointly demarcating boundaries with neighboring countries. It publishes the political map of India annually, now in the process of preparation in 22 official languages, giving importance to the local language. Moreover, to strengthen research and capacity, Survey of India has partnered with leading institutions, IITs, NITs, central government departments, Brahmaputra Board, NRSC, and even the Surveying and Mapping Agency of Slovenia, sharing knowledge and data resources to strengthen the geospatial sector for public good, through nationwide training, workshops, and academic collaborations. Survey of India is shaping the future of geospatial technology. Survey of India's digital core datasets, including digital geographic maps, digital vector databases, administrative boundary databases, topographical maps, ORA, and DIMs in formats such as GDB, image, PDF, shapefile, and TIFF, are disseminated through its online map portal, ensuring easy and seamless access for users across the nation. To achieve the goals of the National Geospatial Policy. National Geospatial Mission has been announced in the budget by Honorable Finance Minister, strengthening geodetic infrastructure.
We will start a national geospatial mission to develop foundational geospatial infrastructure and data. Using PM Gati Shakti, this mission will facilitate modernization of land records, urban planning, and design of infrastructure projects.
Mapping systems, Geo-ICT platforms, capacity building, and research. Survey of India is preparing for the next leap, creating high-resolution national foundational datasets, a modernized vertical data, and integrated mapping platforms for urban planning, disaster response, and infrastructure development. Digital twin of cities will enable smarter governance, sustainable growth, and real-time simulation environments. For 258 years, Survey of India has mapped not only the topography, but the evolution of a nation. With renewed resolve, modern capabilities, and a vision for the future, the journey continues.